Welcome to my meeting place. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your evening.
Good evening, welcome to my meeting place. My name is Jay and I will be serving you tonight. I have not seen you before here. Is this your first time here?
Yes. We are from out of town. We are on the way to a meeting tomorrow.
Great. Let me come back with the menu and take your order.
Thank you.
Hi. Welcome to this video on steps of service in a bar. It is the first video in the series. The link to all the other videos can be found in the description box below. In this video, we will break down the steps that we took to welcome the guest and make sure they were comfortable. The first step is to acknowledge the guest immediately, ideally within 60 seconds of arrival. If it is busy, at least eye contact and an acknowledgement should be done immediately. The guest sat down. You saw Jay mark the guest with a beverage napkin or a coaster. By doing that, we signal to other servers that this guest has been acknowledged, and that someone is taking care of them. If you are passing by a table and you do not see a mark, approach the guest, and welcome them. That way you can ensure that your guest have a good start. This video is part of a free course on our academy at clarifiedbetter.com. By learning on our academy, you will be able to get a certificate that you can share with your supervisor or manager. We have more than 60 courses in the academy, so do visit clarifiedbetter.com and keep learning. And in case you wish to learn on YouTube itself, I will share the links to the entire video series in the description box below. Do check that out as well. If you wish to enroll your entire hotel team members, do check out our team plans. The link to the site is in the description box below. Just send us an email or visit the site and fill out a form. Thank you for watching.